It's Herbie. We got Herbie.
Herbie.
We're on San Andreas.
San Andreas.
Eastbound.
San Andreas eastbound.
San Andreas.
Turning into the parking lot at 3
We're here too.
Turning on to Borge Avenue.
I'm sorry, what?
Forge.
Are you running a siren? Because I don't hear it.
Yes. I lost the visual mid-turn.
Borge Avenue. I've never heard of that in my life.
Okay, you know, I don't have a chance to read the words.
You said you're the
I'm
lucky
driving.
plucker. Did you mean bishops?
Yes.
Okay. I was like,
Last
we're
scene
at the
on-
lucky plucker. What are you talking about?
He's behind the fire station.
There he
Okay.
is.
Nuki.
He's coming out in front of the fire station, going west on
Yep,
McDonald's.
guys. Oh my God!
Oh, nice.
Super fit.
Bumper cars.
You guys still out there on that? Where that guy?